Liston tama maya tama maye, with a smile like the morning sun.
Liston whaiumu. Here's a little blessing for you before you go to be baptized today. Liston. Nana's very sad she can't be there in person, but I'm there in every note of this song and every beat of this blessing. I'm so proud of you getting baptized. Come up. Here is your blessing in Māori. Whakarongo mai I tōku moku na a Liston. Tēnei rā I whakairi ki ana koe I te wai. Kia kōwhiria, kia whakapaingia, kia whakahau tia koe. Kia arahia koe ki te māramatanga o te ara. Kia pono ke te reo o ngā reo e tū. Kia ātāhia te patapata o te marama, mō ake tonu atua. Aroha nui no tō Karani Māma a Josie. Now I'm going to say the baptismal blessing in English. Listen, my grandchild, listen. Today you're being baptized by immersion in sacred waters, chosen, blessed and made anew. You'll be given the gift of the Holy Ghost to guide you, so your path will be lit with the light. May your tongue speak truth in all three languages, and may your heart beat with kindness forevermore. I really love you very much. You are the best, most blessed child. Aroha nui, from your Karani Māma Josie, te Kāhu o te Whare Manu. Have a beautiful day, Liston. Baptism is just the beginning. I'm with you in every note, every beat. Have an awesome day, Liston. This is your special moment, your baptism day. I'm sending you all the love. I'm sending you all my love, joy, and prayers on your special day. Be brave, be kind, be true. Always loved you, Nani, Josie. Have an amazing baptism day. Your journey begins here, and I'll be with you all.